Okay, so I was cleaning out my room today, right? Cause I had these like dolls lined my room on shelves for like 10 years, and I took most of it down. I don't have enough boxes to pack away the rest, so for now they're just gonna stay there. And my room looks a little funny right now, but I'll have to get to that another day because I don't have time to go out to the store and get more. Anyway. And the top of these boxes, because they haven't been touched for 10 years, right? And they've just been sitting there. Well, what do? And you just sit there, you collect dust. Oh, I've been like sniffly, and my hands are full of like caulk, like dry caulk from taking the screw stuff out of the walls that was holding the shelves in place, and dust. And it's like, I touch my nose to rub it, to itch it, and it's like, I'm not doing anything that's smearing stuff all over my nose. So I'm going to induce a little bit in hopes to alleviate some of this agitation that my nose has. That's me trying to hold it back. These are very messy very quickly. Because my nose is already a bit on edge from the dust. Oh god, ew. Very messy. Okay. Oh, that was the weirdest sneeze of my life. Extremely messy. Alright, so I started this yesterday, and I'm still cleaning today. I've been cleaning 4.5 hours, I would say, right now. I'm up to. And yeah, dealing with more dusty stuff that I haven't touched in like 14 years now. Yeah. So stuff, actually, a lot of it I forgot about, but anyway, nose is extremely tickly, so